Obaragihari, imagi higemeo. For your confusion, double silencer. If you like trouble, silencer not the prophet.
When you back one guy cannot modern tomorrow. Too blessed. Let me come to that shop this afternoon and you're not done with that phone. Makajuku, Lagada. After 1 month and you're still with my phone. Lagada. Too blessed. I imagine. Come today, come tomorrow. Come today, come tomorrow. Give her away. Imagine. After 1 month, I will kill you today. Makajuku. Too blessed.
Onyankoka aral ekuregu. Onyaral ekweso turumbani ke silencer. Obaragihari imagi higemeo.
I'm going to phone kika wulam. For over 1 month now, I've been working this phone. Call phone now, about a again. Phone can get my no again. And that's the one I got today. Very soon I will come. Oh, I don't know about it. There, but I may check your keep it about. Phone can I get me up now. Nika Gulamo, I'm gonna be Mama. I will never go outside for social like water. Now go to food. Bikika will make bam. Makura for food can gagamo that safe. I walk again one. Joy, you can funuka walam. Kanga you go to mamma. I got my own funuka boom. Kanga go to kill mamma now.
Dubless! Oh, Dubless! That what I've got you now, Dubless! Get my phone. Dubless! Take it what to look. I'm there today on my phone. Get my phone. Yeah, I can't go.
I'm like a sticky that today. You are here already.
Yes.
Calm down. Funuka wala mishi. From mouthpiece to screen.
Lord of Jesus.
Charging port.
Oh my. Dubless! I want to go here and take consult now.
Phone like my
Phone like since last month. Yeah, you come back again. Come here today, come tomorrow. Hey!
Ogamaka customer, wait.
Hey, Dubless. In my truth of the matter, when I'm not waram, na Dubless will the best. Na Dubless will betty. Maybe you trust for the one phone I get naka. Dubless, them that phone.
Why you come back inside?
Dubless provide my phone again.
You wait for a call start. You wait.
Hey, you are a very important number that phone me with that phone. That was a very important number. I don't know if I don't get it today. One day for them. Game like joy. Game like joy.
Again.
Hey, set the tag on the
Look
Tag on the neighbor, silence. Hey.
Hello, what is it now?
What are footballing? Silence. Imagine that you're Dubless. My phone, Corona. Yeah, since last month. Mbiata, come there to a go. If it's a WhatsApp phone, send that today on my phone. All the corner. And it's a very important contact on my phone and my phone. Hey!
I've been working this for over 1 month now. From screen to charging port. From charging port to my
full phone.
And the panel, I don't.
Panel or yala.
I'm not even to oh. No, wait.
I told you that. I don't.
But since that the way I'm
by 6:30.
I'm trying my best.
Since that is too late. I keep my Nurse Joy.
And you're not.
Oh, so silencer. Nurse Joy. The celebrity Nurse Joy.
The actress.
Give me. Woman, you don't put that logo. Location again. No. Nurse Joy. The
actress.
Oh, woman. Did not be on my phone. And it was like since last month. My birthday I got today. You know I got Dubless. Work on my phone. On the phone now. When I come today tomorrow.
What do you?
And now I don't need to call her. My location I
Okay. So when are we on Nurse Joy?
Yes, that's my only problem.
Check and boy.
Okay, Jinobia.
Hello.
Jinobia.
Who doesn't know Nurse Joy?
Even Carol. Iwe look like Salesa. Do you know my look? Hey,
Check out
Salesa.
so, eh?
This one, this boy.
Black boy. Two
Okay,
players.
Iwe is plan. Yeah, Iwe this boy. I'm a chameleon. I'm a chameleon. Press up.
Okay.
Let me this boy.
All you can win a single ball.
I want to know.
No. How many weeks in training now? This guy.
Thank God.
I want to. What blood to Amos? I don't remember this boy. What blood to Amos? That's all that is.
Okay.
I'm from there with the best. That's why I came here.
All the best, so.
If I can contact him, I can place here.
All the boy. Like,
You know the phone.
it's said by one time.
Sister.
Yeah, you know the phone. I want to check out the number. You know the phone. I don't need it again.
It's ringing.
What am I?
A shout out to my friend, our daughter in the industry, Nurse Joy. Today, God have added another year to her age. She's post one today. Happy birthday to you, Joy. Many more returns, health, and more business. Since you have chosen to work for humanity, may God bless you and add more years to you in Jesus' name. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.